All right, we're at the Staywell Suite here. Let's give a tour here at the Aria. So, standard bathroom there. Wow, we're in a little junk agency thing here. We're in a little meeting here. You got the Raider Stadium over there. For you Raider fans out there. I'm a big Derek Carr fan. Good brother. And yeah. T-Mobile over there, that's where the Knights play, and then Park MGM over there. And then you have the pool down there. Seems like they have 3 pools. And this is their bedroom. It's a 1-bedroom. And we got a suite here. Oh wow, a kitchen, oh I'm sorry, a shower there. Yeah, some stuff here as well. It's typical stuff. Wow, this is really beautiful. Wow. It's very nice.